Breaking news just in from Kingston, Jamaica, where the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean, UCC, has recently launched their unique and amazing student referral program and app. For more, we go to Ali at the UCC's headquarters at their main campus in Kingston.
Thanks, Ed. There's real excitement here with happy students, alumni, and faculty. As university fees continue to rise, the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean, UCC in Jamaica, has now come up with a most interesting way to help their students earn generous discounts on their tuition fees or their alumni to earn attractive commission payments. The university has launched their exciting and novel affiliate marketing student referral program, which is in fact open to students, alumni, faculty, and eligible corporate entities. The affiliate marketing program engages students, helping them earn tuition discounts or waivers on their undergraduate and graduate degrees, as well as certificate programs, while enabling alumni to earn direct commission.
I heard that this opportunity is open to students in Jamaica and those studying online throughout the Caribbean and wider Commonwealth, using the university's online platform or their student referral app, and results can also be tracked automatically.
That's exactly right, Ed. This revolutionary initiative by the UCC, in partnership with the internationally based Post-Affiliate Pro platform, is designed as a solution to assist students, alumni, and faculty, and approved corporate entities to also track their referrals and results using friendly, cutting-edge technology, as they will also be able to sign up sub-affiliates to earn additional income. All participating members of the program receive automatic quick stats and trend reports that highlight their tuition discounts or actual commission payments at any given time.
Wow, now that's really convenient.
It most certainly is, Ed. The university is backed by more than 25 years of experience, offering graduate, undergraduate, online degrees, professional certificate courses, UK doctoral degrees, University of London law degrees, and several other programs in Jamaica from US universities. Understanding the needs of their students and helping them to reduce their study costs while having a unique opportunity to earn a potential passive income is undoubtedly an exciting development with generous commission payments and tuition waivers.
This is undoubtedly trailblazing. It's my understanding that existing students and alumni can expect to earn up to 40% per new student referral on the first semester's tuition when they successfully introduce or refer via the social media platforms or by sending emails for up to 3 undergraduate students who enroll. Or they can earn up to 50% per student on the first semester if they successfully refer 4 or more undergraduate students who enroll with the university.
Again, that's correct, Ed. This equates to an approximate payment of up to 45,000 Jamaican dollars per student enrolled. Similarly, for UCC graduate degree programs, tuition waivers will be applied or commission payments made of up to Jamaican $100,000. The strategy being used by the UCC to introduce their affiliate program makes it easier for students, alumni, faculty, and approved corporate entities to seamlessly join and start introducing new students or participants at any time. UCC has embraced advanced technology, so registered students, alumni, and faculty do not even need a website or any social media account to participate. They can simply make use of internet forums or any search engines, or just send individual or bulk emails to all their friends, coworkers, customers, or others to reach interested prospects, providing them with the UCC affiliate links or flash banners. And Ed, getting started is so quick and easy by visiting the Getting Started section on the UCC main page or downloading the app itself. After logging in, participating UCC members will have access to links, banners, and videos, which they can share on their chosen social media pages. Once a visitor clicks on the link, banner, or video on the affiliate's social media page or in any email they received, they are directed to the UCC website or specific pages. After application, successful acceptance, and enrollment, participating students receive various levels of discounts on their tuition, while alumni, faculty, and approved corporate entities receive attractive commission payments sent directly to their account. Powered by Post-Affiliate Pro, approved participating members can expect a highly reliable program with monthly or quarterly payments made directly to their accounts via PayPal or other e-commerce platforms. Interested affiliates can sign up now directly on their website at www.ucc.edu.jm or download the Student Referral app on their mobile to apply and start earning commission or tuition waivers.
Brilliant. That's indeed a great and exciting win-win tuition saving and passive income initiative. The UCC is clearly fostering leadership and innovation. Stay tuned for the UCC Affiliate Program Training tutorial video.
In this video, I want to tell you how to operate your control panel as an affiliate in the affiliate program here. After you log in, you'll get your general affiliate link, which you can use for promotion in emails, social networks, blogs, etc. In the home section, you'll get an overview of your commissions of all types, approved, paid, and pending. You'll also see your stats for clicks, impressions, conversion rates. There's also a set of quick navigation icons that you can use for getting around. Most of the time, you'll use the navigation on the left. In the Getting Started, you'll get promotional tips and frequently asked questions, which will give you quick insights on how to get started and use the affiliate program. Promotion is where you can access campaigns, banners and links, ad channels, and advanced tools. Campaigns is where you can see which campaigns have you been assigned to with the basic information and percentages. Banners and links is where you can find promotional banners of various types, sizes, and formats. When you want to use a banner, all you need to do is click Get Banner Code and copy and paste the code to your website to display the banner. Dynamic link is the particular link you want to link to. Once you insert the link and click Get Code, it will do the same thing, and you can just paste this code and it will do the affiliate tracking for you. Ad channels help you distinguish specific channels of your affiliate links or banners. The typical use of ad channels is for PPC campaigns where you run multiple campaigns with the same affiliate link. By using a unique channel for every ad, you can find out which ad converts more. Advanced tools can help you in promotion by signing up more sub-affiliates or can protect your affiliate links. Reports give you overall insights on your click, impression, and sales counts and commissions. You can browse through multiple types of reports in this section. My Profile is where you can edit your personal details, what email notifications you want to get, how you want to be paid out, and change themes of your affiliate control panel if that's available. Contact Us, where you can contact your affiliate manager directly without having to go to your email program. Just fill in the subject and text, and it will be delivered right to them. In the panel settings, you can change the theme or leave it as it is. These are the basics of how to navigate through and use your Post Affiliate Pro Affiliate Control Panel. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via email. Thanks for watching.